मिठाई?
Whose voice is it? Whose voice did I just hear, oh Lord?
मिठाई? Here, you're Gopal.
Am I dreaming, oh Lord? Siddharth, you came?
Mithai, I swear by your Gopal that no matter how, I will get you out of this situation. I will prove all the allegations against you to be false, Mithai. I don't know what the allegations against you are, but no matter what, I will prove it to everyone that it's all a lie. Mithai, what do you say? Can't we do this together as a team?
You don't really believe that I did this? Just say it aloud once. Tell me you didn't even believe for once that Mithai intentionally employed someone to commit arson.
What do you think, Mithai? Can Mr. Bitterguard even deem me in Tufan Mail so much? If you lit the fire even in front of me, I would still not believe that there is some other story behind this. Siddharth Modak has at least this much sense, Mithai. Tufan Mail can break things but not destroy anything. And Tufan Mail's Gopal doesn't even let Tufan Mail break things, right? He helps her.
That's it. I don't want anything else. Just that grandfather's grandson should be with me. The entire family is heartbroken. You need to be with them, don't you? And I'm quite happy here. And Bakul is helping me arrange things for my ritual. The policewoman brought me all the things for the ritual and grandfather's grandson has brought me my lord. You know, Mithai has her heaven in her hands. Today, Mithai will celebrate Lord's anniversary in prison.
Spoken like the sister of a police officer. Can anything dampen our Mithai's spirit?
Brother Rudra, how did you learn I am here? Did you go to our house?
I did not need to. On the way to Kolkata, when I switched on my phone, I saw 300 odd messages, and I hope you can understand who sent those messages.
Sister Nipa.
Yeah. But Mithai, you seem to be stuck in a rather large conspiracy. How can someone trust an unknown stranger so much?
What do you mean? What are you saying?
The police have a good amount of evidence against Mithai. And on top of that, Aditya Agrawal offered you a job also. He even gave you the papers saying he's offering you a shop. The police have found that file on the spot. You have paid Makhan Mandal somehow, Mithai. The police has that evidence as well.
What have you done, Mithai? Huh? Rudy, you know, I'll truly go crazy now. Who does such silly shenanigans, Mithai? Oh, sorry, ma'am can't be called silly either. It'll hurt her ego. It was my mistake to leave, you know. You can't do a single thing properly. The van malfunctioned on the way to aunt's party, and then she got kidnapped when I started a new job, and now it's the height. I left for Singapore and she's behind the bars. Ridiculous.
Sid, relax, Sid. This is a police station. Mithai, listen. Before Monday, nothing can be done. I can understand you have a problem staying here. Let me see what I can do.
No, Brother Rudra. I have no problems. My Lord is with me, that's it. But Siddheshwar Modak needs to be saved from the hands of Aditya Agarwal. Actually, I don't know why. I have the feeling that they are the ones behind it. Even though there is no proof of that.
And what about all the silly things that you did? Huh? Nonsense. Rudy, we need to see what we can do.
Sid, let's go now. We can't stay here anymore. First of all, we need to arrange for Mithai's bail. And Mithai, there is no fear. Now the actual culprit will come to the fore. Your hero is here.
Oh Lord, you are so merciful towards me. You love Mithai so much. How will Mithai pay back for this love?
How can Sid return? And he took such a huge step, and that too for Mithai? That means nothing else matters to him. Future, position, career, nothing, right? Mom, please say something.
What should I say, Tess? What about you? You did such an amateur thing to one-up Mithai. Do you see the consequences? I warned you to be careful multiple times. You went to the lockup to see Mithai's condition.
Aunt, please. Please don't lose your calm. You tell us what we should do. Suggest we should go underground or what? Aunt, believe me, I am feeling very uncomfortable. Siddharth is quite angry. He will get to the roots of this thing. Even Rudra is back to Kolkata. Torsha, please, calm down.
How can I calm down, Shom? I planned so much, trained up so much, and it's all going to waste. Everything's ruined. Okay, Mom. That's Shankar. Makhan Mandal. If Sid can't find him, then how will he prove that Mithai is innocent? He can't prove it. Mithai would need to serve a time, right?
Aunt, Makhan has been instructed to stay underground. But if the police decide they can do anything, will it be too hard to seek him out?
Listen, Shom. First of all, both of you stop panicking. You need to behave very naturally. The entire blame needs to be put on Aditya Agarwal. Only if your names come up in the investigation. Do you get it? Makhan Mandal or Shankar, whatever the name is. Aditya Agarwal was the one who hired him to ruin Modak's business. You know nothing about this. Clear?
Yes, clear. Torsha, clear, right? Torsha?
That's my fault, Mom. I love Sid. Is this my fault? Answer me. Is it my fault that I
Yes.
love Sid? I can't tolerate Mithai. I just can't. And why would I tolerate? Why is Sid caring for Mithai so much? Why? Why is this injustice happening?
Torsha, listen. Aunt, she has become upset now. If she takes any wrong step in this situation, it would just increase the danger, right?
I truly get so exhausted sometimes. It seems that she will ruin her entire life for that Sid. What do I do with that girl? Tess, baby? Oh, baby. Tess, listen to me, Tess.
I just don't get it. Why is Siddharth doing so much for Mithai? The one who doesn't even believe in marriage. No. No matter what, he can't fall in love with a girl like Mithai.
Grandpa, Siddharth hasn't returned yet. Who knows if some mishap happened there? He doesn't feel the need to answer the phone. He just can't imagine that someone might be waiting for him at home.
Do you see it, Mom? How anxious your son-in-law gets these days? When Sid has gone there, he would certainly make some arrangements, right?
Siddharth will surely bring Mithai along, right?
No, Mom. It's not that simple. Don't you see? The court and the police are involved in this case. Nothing seems good anymore. I just can't imagine something like this happening in our family, Mom. The questions the neighbors were asking me,
Why is the entire society so curious about everything, Aunt?
We can't say that, dear. We have been here for so long. We have always helped each other. They will surely ask.
Actually, Mithai gels with everyone. She always talks to everyone.
Grandpa? Grandpa, are you worried? There's nothing to be worried. Sid has returned as well. Even Rudy is back in Kolkata. He texted me to know what exactly happened.
It's not just Siddharth. All of you are there as well, Ratul. But you know what? I just can't take this much harassment at this age. No. Mithai is our daughter-in-law, right? Right? And she has to spend her night in a cell. Although no matter whatever evidence there is, I know Mithai can never do this. But I still couldn't protest. I'm feeling so helpless.
Brother said,
We can't do anything before tomorrow. Rudy is here as well. He is trying his level best to investigate from the inside, but nothing's possible at the moment. Grandpa, you know, when Mithai returned to Janai last time after Holi, and I went there to get her for you all, I promised Aunt Parvati one thing. I assured her that Mithai wouldn't face any problems in this house. She will be absolutely fine here. And look what happened. She's arrested. There's circumstantial evidence against her. She appointed a man for the job and gave him all the money for the food. But how are we going to prove it to the police that she paid that money for the food? How are we going to prove this? And then there is someone else. Aditya Agarwal. He tried to offer Mithai a whole shop. In fact, he offered her that as well. Everything burned down in the fire, but not that file. And the police got that file and nothing else. We know Mithai cannot do this, but how do we prove that to the police? The police won't listen to us. She's in a very small cell. There's one more person there with her. She had fever last night. Mithai took care of her. Rajiv, you know, I had chalked out everything in a certain way. But everything just went for a toss. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Siddharth,
What happened? Hey, listen. Mithai is fine in her way. What does she say? Happy. She's happy.
Can I say something, Siddharth? I think we have no option but to wait. If Mithai can be strong in these circumstances, then why can't we? We all have to remain strong, okay? None of us will cry. None of us. No one. If Mithai comes to know that we are heartbroken, she will also be hurt. And one more thing. Mithai's Lord has already reached Mithai. I have faith. Mithai's Lord won't allow any harm to befall Mithai. Please, Lord. Please don't let any harm come to Mithai. Please. Come, eat something.
Siddharth. Come. Come sit.
Don't cry. Come.
Please eat something, Sid.
Rajiv, I was saying, what food do they serve in the cell?
Most probably dal and roti. There's a curry with it as well. But the roti is usually very hard and not eatable. And they don't allow outside food either.
Aunt, I will have 1 cup of coffee and sleep. I'm not hungry. I'm really very sorry, Mithai. I can't even give you proper food.